Hi guys, this is Sasha, and today we'll be fixing my bag. Can you see that? It's because I'm grade 5 and so you can see that's all the things that is in my bag, and it's many. So we are gonna start. So first we are gonna start with all the notebooks, and I'm gonna show you what's written in it. Although we are in first quarter, so we're not yet writing a little bit. So I'm gonna show you what's written here. This is computer, and we do cursive. That's it. This page. Next is number 9, which is health. This is the front cover of the page. This is the first quarter. PCO and grading system. But we don't have writings yet, so that's really good. Next is number 10, which is arts, and it's really cute actually. So, PCO, and we don't have grading system, and don't have writings yet, but we have activities in our drawing books. So that's it for the 10. Oh my god. Next is this 12, which is Hele, and we have written on it. Hele 5, the PCO, we have written a lot here, and just drawings. And that's it for number 12. Next is number 3, which is language, and that's it. Go inside. Ignore that drawing. Sorry for the background noise. That is the things that is written on my notebook. So noisy outside. This is number 4, which is mathematics, and you can see math 5. And that's it. Next is this. This is 6, is for civics, and this is it says Joker. It's gonna be broken. Oh, it's broken. Oh my god. It's okay, I'm just gonna copy it at the next page. Oh my gosh. All of my writing's gone broken. I'm just gonna copy it later. So, the next notebook is this 7, which is Filipino, and we have a subject called Filipino, which is the Philippines. Next is number 2, and his reading, which is part of English. And that's it for that. Next is the assignment notebook, which we write reminders of what we're gonna bring to tomorrow or whatever. And the last notebook, we have the science. This two notebooks is my scratch. For this notebook, this is a math notebook, I wrote my reviewer here, and this notebook is for my different subjects scratch. Next, I'm gonna show you my books. My books is this writing, Pluma, English, civics, science, MAPE, lastly, Helen. Those are all my books, and now we are gonna put the notebooks and the books inside the bag. Let's go. So for the notebooks, I am gonna arrange them number by number, but for the books, I'm gonna arrange them subject by subject. We are gonna leave 6 behind because of what happened a while ago, and in case if you're wondering, where's the 11th notebook? Where's the 11th notebook? It's with my teacher, okay? I'm gonna leave this aside. And I have this kind of notebook, which is the music notebook. We don't have writings yet, but we will have sooner or later. I forgot to show you these books. We also have reading and math. It's so heavy. So now we're gonna put this kind of folder. This is my name and my section, and we have this folder contains the reminders and reply slips of things that will happen in the school. And then we have these books. We have Whatever After, Hieronymus Stilton, Stardust Friends, Faye Stilton, and that's it. And then we also have this Tongue Twisters, and this is really good. Like, let's read one of it. Can you can a can into an can like a can a can into an can. A big bug bit a big bug bit a bold bald bear, and the bold bald bear bled blood badly. This is hard. We also have a mouse, a spell book for kids, but not true, okay? Contains spells. It's actually Maleficent spellbook, but it's mouse. I don't know why. So if you're so excited about the accessories, stay away from it right now because we are gonna go to the notebooks first. So we have this Sulatan Formal, which is for Filipino, and this is the same, but it's in English. Formal theme English. We also have this map which have Minnie Mouse's. That's my brother. Make sure you subscribe to him. I have this old music notebook, and this is very old. I have it in here. And we also have the world map. If you are watching and you come from here, wow. But I live here. It's a small country, but it's more fun. Let's go to accessories. First accessory is 2 glues. We have the gel. We also have the white one. For the Guinness World Record, I have 3 pencil cases. The first one comes with a bag. comes with the big bag, and this contains 2 ball pens only. I never use it usually. We have my gel, and I don't know what that is. This is my favorite pencil case because when you open it, it comes with 4 pockets like this, and you can store ball pens in it. You can put other ball pens in here. I have Sharpie and other ball pen, and my card. And also in this pocket I have ball pens, and it's kind of actually really good. The next pencil case is this big, and this comes with the luggage. This is free, so inside. Oh wait. I can store my iPad there actually. 2 rulers and 1 box of crayons. We have this pack of tape. We have this glue stick, a whiteboard eraser, highlighter, and a correction tape. And I have this pencil, Little Prince book, wet wipes, and a compass, and this kind of papers. So there you have it. That's my bag. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe and like. Bye!